What's up, guys? Enjoy here. Welcome to my channel, 𝐃𝐨𝐤 Academy. Feels so good to talk to you guys again today. So if you are new to my channel, where have you been? As usual, I've been waiting for you. Welcome. This is a value arena, all right? So in today's video, but before I talk about today's video, if you are a returning subscriber, I so much appreciate you for coming back again and again to view my contents. Thank you so much. And as usual, smash that like button if you love the values I share in this channel. And if you're a new subscriber, please smash that subscribe button. All right, so do me the favor, smash the subscribe button and let's roll. All right, so in my previous video, I made a video about claiming an NFT. NFT is something that is entering into the crypto space, and it's going to be wow, like wow. Okay, so many persons really don't understand what NFT has to do in the crypto space. But in this channel, I'm going to be updating you guys on current trends and what you should learn and what you should do. All right, so I made a video on how to claim NFT on Solflare. All right, if you're a crypto trader, you already know Solana. It's a hot coin right now. It moved all the way from $30 back in May. Now currently sitting at $147. All right, and I'm expecting SOL to hit $250 this month. That's my own prediction. All right, so last time I showed you guys how to claim an NFT on Solflare, right? This is the video right here. So many of us didn't watch this video, and
below
those
this
who
video
watched it,
and click the like button if you love.
So those who watched it really didn't give me that like. They didn't like the video, or they didn't want to just smash the like button. Okay, but I gave out so much value in this video, and today I'm going to be showing you the results of what I just did in this video. Okay, so this video is actually how to claim the NFT. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sell your NFT. All right, so don't just think it's all about claiming, and you don't get value for it. Okay, someone sold this particular NFT for 5 SOL. Now do the calculation, guys. Current value of SOL is sitting at $147. $147 multiplied by 5, that is whooping $735 for just doing a simple task. Just a simple task. Is that simple? All right, so let's head over to how can you sell your NFT. How do you sell it? Okay, we have this website where you can actually sell. It's a marketplace where you can sell your NFTs. Let's go to the website. Digital, so that's it, 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐻.market. Okay, so that's where you can actually sell your NFT. But before we go over to this NFT, before we go over to the marketplace, let's see the NFT we claimed previously in the video I did in my channel. All right, so Solflare.com. Let me click on assets. I want to check on my stuff right now. Okay, so this is it. It's loading up. It's coming up. Okay, so this is it. I have $12 SOL here, which is what I used to claim that NFT. So I click on NFT here. Oh no, I've listed my NFT already, so the NFT is no longer here, but you can find it here. My fiance is calling me. I'm going to decline this call right now. Okay, so this is it. I already listed mine. Okay, so view this. I already listed mine, but I'm going to show you in the other in the marketplace where I listed it, and I'm going to show you how I listed it. All right, how it's been done. But this is where we claimed that NFT. All right, this is where we claimed that NFT. So this lady is disturbing me. Okay, so let's go back to the marketplace. 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐻.market, and Okay, it's loading up. All right, okay. So from here now, let me see if my wallet is still linked. If it is not, then I have to connect. All right, kind of slow. Okay, so it's not connected. So once you click on the three dots by the top right, so you click on connect wallet here, and it's going to take you back to Solflare. You remember where I went to before I came to this marketplace? So you just go ahead to unlock your wallet, and then you give them the access. It's safe, guys. It's safe. So I'm connected right now. Okay, so I'm connected. All of these are, they are all the NFTs that people have listed in this marketplace. Okay, these are all the NFTs. Okay, so let's see. We want to sell our NFT, so still click on the three dots. Okay, but before we sell our own, let me show you something. Now look at this simple design. Let's check this. Now this design is listed for 2,000 souls. Do you know what that means? Wait. Let's do this calculation. 2,000 multiplied by 147. That's whooping $249,000. Multiplied by Nigerian rate 528. You are going to be getting 155 million naira. Right? That's what this guy wants to sell this particular design. That is NFT for you. This one is selling for 1,000 souls. This one is selling for 100 souls. This one is selling for 350 souls. This one is selling for 1,500 souls. There is money in NFT, right? And it's going to sound like magic when this stuff sells out. Okay, it will be like a blood money to you. All right, so don't take NFT for granted. Okay, so let's list our NFT right now. So click on the three button at the top right, then click on sell. If you want to buy NFT, all right, you can go ahead to buy any of the NFT in this marketplace. It has amazing futures, it has amazing potentials. Okay, so this is the NFT we claimed on Solflare. All right, I just listed mine for $20. Sorry, for 20 souls. And let me see how much 20 souls is. Let's see. 20 multiplied by 147. That's $2,940,000, right? So if I should multiply this by the current naira rate, that is 1.5 million plus. Okay, so it's pretty cheap. You can come and buy my NFT here. It's pretty cheap. Mine is the cheapest in the marketplace right now. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it. So look out for my NFT here and buy my NFT. All right. Okay, so maybe I'm going to copy my stuff and give you guys so you can come and buy my NFT. Okay, so that's it, guys. Once you've connected your wallet, you're going to be seeing your NFT right here. So when you click on the NFT, it will pop up a page like this for you. Okay, I've listed mine already. That's why you're seeing on list now, right? So it will pop up a page like this for you. What you just need to do is to enter the amount that you need to, or that you want to sell your NFT. It's being sold for Sol. Okay, Solana, right? That's the coin. When you sell this NFT, it will be converted to Sol and sent to your account. Then you can withdraw it to whatever wallet you wish to withdraw. All right, so from there now, once you enter the amount, then click on sell, right? It will pop up another stuff for you to grant access. And once you do that, boom, it's listed. It is very simple. Okay, it's super simple. So that's how to list your NFT in this marketplace. You can do a whole lot in this place. You can do a whole lot. Okay, you can list any kind of NFT you've got, list it here to sell for Sol, then take your Sol to Binance and cash out. All right, so that's it, guys. If you love the value I share in this channel, as always, smash that like button. That's the exact way to know that you love the videos I make. please smash that like button. And if you're yet to subscribe, I would love to have you on board. Okay, click that subscribe button and I'll get to know you better. Okay, if you have any challenges, please feel free to comment on the section in the comment section, and I will respond almost immediately. Okay, I'll respond almost immediately. My airdrop video is going to be dropping in a jiffy, so make sure you are subscribed so that you can learn how to claim valuable airdrops. If you don't have money to invest in cryptocurrency, then airdrop is a good way to start. Airdrop and bounties, I'm going to be covering that in the next video. Okay, so smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And I'm going to see you right here, right in this channel next time. Bye for now.